Good afternoon, my lovable guys. Now I am telling about Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also known as Pink City. It is surrounded by hills. Jaipur is famous for many buildings like Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, Nahargarh Fort, Jaigarh Fort, Rambagh Palace, etc. It is known Maharaja Ram Singh had painted almost his buildings pink color because he knew pink color was the color of hospitality. Because at that time, the Britain's Queen Rani Victoria would visit the Pink City. Pink City is famous for its temple, architecture, fort, art and craft, paintings, caves, traditional culture, etc. Thank you very much, my lovely guys. Don't forget, comment, like, share, subscribe also. Thank you very much again.